Okay, we have the Radenso XP now on deck. Here's the RedFlex system showing on a really low side with the XP here, 24027. So that was the RedFlex. I love these red lights. Okay, we got a 24056 now as a K-band. 24045. Steadily at a 24045 on the XP. Now it's showing a 24055. $24,057 now. $24,110,053. Jumps around a little bit. 106, 61, 58. 122, we're passing the source. 047, 24,135, 060. So as you would expect as an FMCW source, it's showing different frequencies for K, but not alerting you that it's MRCD. Okay, we have the Radenso XP in K narrow with BSM filter on. I wouldn't expect that we're going to get an alert from this RedFlex system that's up here that we've been passing. There it is. No alert. We're passing the source. So now we're heading towards the MRCT system up ahead here. I love the red lights. Especially when there's nobody else in the intersection. So no alert from the XP in K narrow mode so far. So no alert. Now we're getting the alert on some of these frequencies at 24,102. 24,102. And then 134,099. So you do get an alert, but clearly the distance was significantly reduced, and it only saw certain parts of the FMCW frequencies. I hope you enjoyed the test in the video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to us, we'll have more good stuff coming. Be sure to visit Radar Busters if you're looking to get any of these detectors. So again, take care. Thanks.